Welcome to Uzbekistan, a country with a rich tapestry of industries and landscapes, yet challenged by its unique geography and landlocked position in Central Asia. Due to landlocked constraints, Uzbekistan's industries face hurdles, making material transfer and transportation complex and costly. Its diverse terrain, including mountains, deserts, and rivers, also challenges infrastructure development and maintenance. Enter EDDY Pump, offering innovative solutions tailored to Uzbekistan's major sectors, including agriculture, mining, manufacturing, chemicals, electronics, machinery, and metals. EDDY Pump's cutting-edge slurry pumps and dredging equipment are indispensable tools for quickly navigating Uzbekistan's geographical complexities. Opting for EDDY Pump equipment rentals presents a practical and cost-effective choice, especially in critical industries like agriculture, mining, and manufacturing. With EDDY Pump, businesses can efficiently manage challenges without the burden of long-term commitments. Efficient pumping and dredging solutions are vital for maintaining navigable rivers, mitigating floods, preserving the environment, and supporting agriculture and infrastructure. EDDY Pump's solutions optimize waterway maintenance, flood prevention, environmental preservation, agricultural support, and infrastructure maintenance. With strategic locations across Uzbekistan, including Andijan, Bukhara, Gulistan, Jizak, Karshi, and Navoy, EDDY Pump is ready to meet the nation's industrial needs. In conclusion, Uzbekistan's industries require innovative solutions to overcome geographical challenges and sustain economic competitiveness. EDDY Pump emerges as the preferred partner, offering flexible and sustainable solutions for material transfer and infrastructure maintenance. Explore our rental services today and ensure Uzbekistan's industry's future resilience and growth with EDDY Pump. Contact us today. We pump solids, not water.